Hi, nice to see you. This is Randal Systems, our new installation. Please, let me show you around. As you can see, we have our operatives at this time assembling the system. And here we have our pride and joy, the epitome of triple brush hull cleaning equipment. As you can see, it has its reclaim capability, its steering, okay, and fully adjustable pressure on the brushes. Please, follow me. Let me show you on the other side. It has its skirting, traction on 3 wheels, and the rotary brush cleaning arrangement with the intake for the fouling as it's being shed during the cleaning process. This is the power pack, the power unit. It is a diesel unit, diesel engine. We also have an electric option, an electrical power pack option. And from there, I can show you the umbilical on the reel. This comes with a standard 120-meter length, and its buoyancy can be fully adjustable from the side and as it's being deployed. If you come with me here, this way, you can see the controlling element, which is the CCTV, the comms box, and the gas panel, which is where the umbilical takes breathing air to the divers. And this is the filtration system. Filtration system where from the cleaning unit it's being absorbed, taken through the umbilical, and then deposited on the filtration system itself. Here we have cream that will collect the calcareous growth, the more larger chunks of barnacles and calcareous biomass. And then we have 2 different stages where the water is filtered and different filters, okay? And then at the end, it will come out and go into the sea, meeting all the environmental requisites that we have for 2027. Okay, here you have it, the Hull Hero system in its entirety. We have the cleaning unit on its maintenance stand, which you can adjust. You have the umbilical, you have the filtration system, and the power pack. Here, you have the controlling element. The whole space that you can see is limited, very reduced, and we calculate that it takes around 20 to 24 meters to have the system fully operational. Can't be easier. Okay, well, this is it, guys. This is the system in its entirety. Should you need any more information, please, I'm at your disposal. Call me anytime.